Hello everybody, I'm Zach, and today I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough of our new JoyJobs website. This video, we will go over the current as well as the future elements of the website. So let's get into it. In this video, we're going to cover the first phase of JoyJobs, and the 3 stages of JoyJobs will consist of. So the first is that it's a tool. So the idea here is that we wanted to create a simple but easy to use digital resume, and that is what we're going to be looking at today. The second phase is building a community. So when more users create job skill videos, the highest rated ones will be shared to a central channel and form a learning center. So the goal is that over time is that this virtual community will grow, learn, and inspire each other. And the third phase is finding a job. So once we have a strong base of active users, we will launch the employer features. So basically, hiring managers will be able to use JoyJobs as a talent resource and connect with potential employees. With video-based profiles and AI support, this matching process will become faster and more effective. So stage 1 will focus on 2 user groups, job seekers and their support teams. So this is parents, teachers, or job coaches, basically anyone who serves as the real coach in their life. They will be our primary testers for the first version of the website. So this is Grace. Let's pretend she is 21 years old and would like to get a job near her home. She'll be using JoyJobs for the first time. Let's get started. So first, Grace will need to create her own account. Since this is her first time on the site, she'll need to press sign up to create her account. Once she has completed this step, she can log in by simply filling in her email address and password. Alright, Grace is now logged in and can start building her resume. One of our smart features is the Upload Resume button, which normally you will see right here. It'll only be available if a resume has not been started yet. Now in this case, Grace already has a resume, so she can simply click on Edit Resume to edit it. So now that we have clicked on it, let's walk through everything that's going on here. Now if you'll notice on the very top here, it says Current Resume Score. Now the more you complete, the higher the score you will get. Think of it sort of like a game. The goal is to reach a resume score of 100. More point-based features will be developed gradually with the goal of building a motivated, growth-oriented community. So for now, the score is at 75, but we can still get that number higher. Right here, you can see all of Grace's skill videos. It's important when uploading these videos to use as many keywords as possible. These keywords will be used in the future with AI to match with your potential employers. It's also important to remember that these videos are replaceable. Always upload your best one to show employees. Remember to always put your best foot forward. To upload a video, you can simply click on the Add feature right here, and then you can click on here and then go to any video file on your computer. Ideally, the video is less than 5 minutes long, and remember, there is a 300 megabyte limit for the video file, so make sure to keep that in mind. One key feature that this website has is video editing using the use of AI. If you need help editing your video, you will be able to upload the full video and the website will edit it down for you. Now let's move on to the next section, which is everything down here. This section was inspired and designed using the SWOT method to make it more authentic. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. All throughout here, you will see Grace's strengths and all previous work experiences written out in the more traditional way we are used to. You can simply edit them by clicking on this and typing it down, but there's another cool feature that we have on this website called AI polishing, which will basically make it much more cleaner and easier to read. If we scroll all the way down, we can see a section that says, What I am working on. Here, she can let employers know what weaknesses she's currently working to improve. Finally, Grace can use the Workplace Support section to list ways a potential employer can help her do her job and overcome threats to her performance. Oh no, Grace is stuck on one of the sections and is not sure how to move forward. Our website has a tool that can help Grace in this situation. Click on the Help button right over here and you will see 2 options. Option 1. Grace can input a parent, teacher, or a job coach's email here and they will receive an invite to help finish your profile. Option 2 is the References tab, which is right here. Grace helps gather references from teachers, past employers, or job coaches using the reference tool. Like the Help option, Grace can input their email, and they will get an invite to provide feedback for Grace. The more references or reviews Grace can receive, the more appealing she will be to potential employers. All you have to do is click on the edit feature right here, click on the plus, and you can send an email invitation. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because we plan to add a lot more features to this website in the future. We truly hope that this website will help adults who might be struggling with traditional resumes.